Question 15. Ashan's mathematics class needs to complete 6 tests, each worth 100 marks. After completing the first 5 tests, Ashan calculated that he would need a mark of 90 in the final test in order to have a mean mark of 80 for the 6 tests. What was Ashan's mean mark after completing the first 5 tests? The strategy I'm going to use is to consider the sum of marks over the 6 tests taken, and then find the sum of the marks over the first 5 tests taken in order to work out Ashan's mean mark for the first 5 tests. Now we know that Ashan calculated that he would need a mark of 90 in the final test, in other words, the 6th test, in order to have a mean mark of 80 over all 6 tests. So if Ashan's mean mark is 80 over the 6 tests, and if we multiply 80 times 6, that implies that the total number of marks gained over the 6 tests is 480. Now Ashan calculated that the final mark will need to be 90. That means that the sum of the marks in the first 5 tests plus 90 is equal to 480 marks gained. So to work out the sum of the first 5 tests, we take 480 and subtract 90 from that, which means that the sum of the marks in the first 5 tests is 390. So in order to work out the average mark or the mean mark in each of those 5 tests, we take the total marks gained over the 5 tests and then divide it by 5 to get the mean mark per test in the first 5 tests. So 390 divided by 5 is equal to 78. So Ashan's mean mark after completing the first 5 tests is 78. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.